mambura jaku tukajiko neu tukagemia kiatho giaku na gukwa mwago jwa muthemba ugikongwera na chore hamwe na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendie na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Chukuri ya St. Agnes Maregaturi Marega maili 3 kuma tauni ya Mekindori barabara nene ya Meru kuelekea Mekindori. St. Agnes ni chukuri ya chongai ya kimadho moja Meru na kinyangima. Na ndeto kinyekinetia kinya kile utarajo mwaru jua CBC na Junior Secondary School. Chukuri ya tutu na aritwa boarding school na Discoras na nyatu na arimoba kongana. St. Agnes tunarere ya gaba ana na beto konogo kadhea bate irachine. Ujukani ya January 2023 kile Junior Secondary School PP1 mwaka klasi kia mugwanja botete na mbere marije to nja kuganira mubuko jwaku kumayamantu nkuruke tunge chukuru kana utringe thimugo kurukira namba ije 0725977114. St. Agnes School Marega, my education, my life, my future.
Mraithiria wa Meru TV tugucokera kairi nikenda tukomba gwithira tugitana mbere na nteto cietu tukaromba urekeri nonto bwathina ya kemitambo na tugitana mbere ni ati kithurano kia nyambene kia aritani nigitirirwe nyuma ya ndoa na nkuchanio kwithirwa ikiumira mbara iria itigite kura chenyangitwe na gutamburangwa amwe na mathanduku ja kuringira kura kwithwa ni aritani baria bakuthuri ni utaribwa kura iu amwe na bo ni bangaratanirwe ni abitha ba borisi kithurano negiki kiria gikuthithikite chukuruni ya special ya njia kangeta NTETO ya Egembe Central. Murithi waba ari na shekuma NTETO ya Egembe.
Keria yo nonto tukwiyete
mama
yes woni betawa mudhoni aluma na ndi member wa NAT ndene ya Nyambene branch in Kenya. Ni very sad kwetherwa ni tukuringwa na tear gas after twero kithurano kikwairishwa na twetekeria ni makosa yari gutwethia tutena sila tutena maia tutena kento no kiriko uteke ento turaringa tutaria ngare police tutaringa kirasi kana turinga muntu nimbie to mutoko ndisabu wikerwa tear gas in an institution ana bongo abakuwa mbusukuru nimbie ule na no ore nyume manto yayonde. It is very sad and we are very unhappy. We are sad. Whoever has planned this nice okera nonto we cannot go by this. If it is the deep state kende kakole wora bangi ethero aichoka wati mbaru one kati osoka we are tutafagia hao wote tunataka new people na tunataka fresh blood. This is impunity of the highest type.
Tugitana mbere nawe murungamiri munene wa Kenya National Qualifications Authority KNQA Dr. Aris Kande akiaria ari cukuru ya Otea na obudi ya Meru National Polytechnic Antone APS Dr. Esther Daramworia natheretie ati cukuru ejene ya mbere aja Kenya gwitikirika ni KNQA ni ukwijana mathomo jao na kugeria aritwa baribo bongwa. Bo ni umwena university inenkerirwo wangirwayo kana chata ni ontobo boga tetheria cukuru eje kwijana mathomo mwanya mwanya kiri aritwane uko batetheria mantone jakingugi riria barakinyaniria mathomo jao na nibo bakageria gutena rwangi kinyarumwe rwa kugerania. Amwena bo cukuru eje ni tithiritwe nkathina gutwika king'ina gia Otea bunene na cukuru ingi cia Otea na ubundi ikiandikithagua aritwa bao na cukuru Frank munene ari nacio.
Cukuru ya Nthiguru nene Otea na Kiobundi ya Meru kana Meru National Polytechnic nithiritwe igitithio kiwango kingi arethiritwe ri cukuru ya mbere kunenkerwa baruga kunenkerwa kanyaga kugita baruga bari bobongwa ninkiame KNQA niyo Kenya National Qualification Authority Arakera murungamiri wa nkiameje Nthiguru nene Daktari Aris Kande na tareretie
The Meru National Polytechnic now becomes a certificate awarding institution. They are going to, of course, train. They are going to assess practically the skills that they will be teaching the students. They are going to assess or examine, if you like, and they are going to award the certificate. This is very important for us as a state department because under the control of Kenya National Qualifications Authority, this speaks volumes because it means that now we
agitana mbere nkurukina ugeta cukuru jere ambere kuthura kewa kanyaga ka kunenkanira baruga bari bobongwa ni untubuke thora bukithingatira kinya kire cukuru ingeta iji jaya Kisii na Endoreti.
Other institutions like Kisii National Polytechnic are also being mentored, and they are going to be a center, an awarding center for that region, etc., etc. So this is just a beginning, and we are going to continue mentoring other institutions, and the Kenya National Qualifications Authority is going to continue to assess and really show the institutions what they must do and where they must go, be, so that they are certified by them to become certificate awarding institutions.
Nankuruki Daktari Aris Kande agitana mbere na ugeta de mwarimu munene wa cukuru eje aketharo akijokia kanyaga otegera kinya cukuru ingeta iji ire kuthithia TVET kana mathomo jote akirire njoni eje.
The chief principal of this institution is going to mentor the institutions in this region so that they train at the level that has been certified by Kenya National Qualifications Authority. So it will be up to the chief principal to ensure that that level of training is available to the other institutions in the regions so that this becomes the assessment center. The other centers in this region are going to be assessed or examined, if you like, in this institution, which is now a qualifying center, and they are going to receive the certificate of Meru National Polytechnic. So it's not just for this institution as it stands here, but it's going to be for the region.
Bamuthia kirekerio Daktari Kande na ugeta bakathingatira gwakwe na gutigira ni bakunenkanira baruga irire baterete jeke wango kiraki baterete kuringana na rwangi ruru.
We are going to award this through this institution certificates that we are absolutely sure that the students have gone through practical training, practical assessment before they are awarded. This is very important for the State Department.
Kuma cukuru ya Nthiguru ya Obundi na Otea aja Meru tauni nene Meru nkiripotera Meru TV mbeta Frank munene.
Ibwega Frank munene nonto bwanteto na iyo cia Frank munene ne cyo twekera gatanta kirenteto cia Meru TV utuko bwana runa inde to shemani ona tiarungama thaa 3 kirenteto ije na inge inyinge nimbitagwa Nancy Ndogo.